Everyone has something that makes them insecure or doubt themselves. If you think you do not have insecurities, you most likely are yet to find out what they are. People experience insecurities with their skin color, skin lesions, stretch marks, nose shape, hairiness, baldness, sweaty palms and feet, shyness, slim body, bulky feet, weight and size, stammering, poor finances, and so on. Insecurities are totally natural. Overcoming them is totally possible if you understand how to deal with it. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do that. If you are yet to subscribe, this is a cue to do so. The first step to actually overcoming your insecurities is to acknowledge them. Knowing your insecurities is the first step to overcoming it. Acknowledging them would help you with a solid plan to deal with it. It would categorically help you know if you can fix it or if you need other alternatives to deal with them. For example, let's say you are overweight or too thin. You all know that the best way to correct this insecurity is to start a gym program, either a bulking or weight loss program, depending on the situation. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Acknowledge that everyone has insecurities as you are also a human being. Number 2, limit social media use. Reduce your exposure to unrealistic portrayals of perfection online. Always keep in mind that social media often showcases idealized versions of reality. No one wants to put their insecurity online. Everyone wants to exemplify perfection and flawlessness. Exposing yourself to their unrealistic versions of life would most likely lead you to comparing yourself to someone's fake life, forcing you to doubt your worth and yourself. I know a lot of dudes who are totally perfect physically but have severe insecurities with their finances. After seeing Andrew Tate online asking them how many Lamborghinis they've got, they began to feel worthless and engulfed with self-doubt. Limit your toxic exposure. No one should oppress or persuade you to start an unrealistic journey. Number 3, avoid playing the victim. Look guys, do not let any insecurity stop you from enjoying what life has to offer. There's no need to hide behind the veil of anxieties and play the victim. If you do that, you'll miss out on all that life has to offer. If someone is going to judge you based on your anxieties and weakness, there is no need to be friends with that person. Protect your mental health and avoid toxic people. Stand tall with your head high, keeping in mind that everyone has things they are ashamed to show and tell the world. For the bonus tip, take a step. There's always a solution to a problem. If you've got an insecurity that is fixable, then take a step. If you have a form of dysmorphia that you have no control of, accept it and stand tall against oppression and subjugation. No one is perfect at the end of the day. You've just gonna think of a solution. If you are overweight, cut down toxic shits. If you are too thin, start eating right and going to the gym. If you are financially unstable, seek help from the people that have got it right. If you have skin lesions like acne, pimples, and discolorations, fix it by seeking help and proper hygiene. I have done my bit by designing a meal menu plan and a gym guide to help out a bit. Click the link in the description to grab yours. Join our Patreon for proper coaching and guidance to circumvent your insecurities.